What the hell?
It's fire.
What the hell? What? If you want me to do it, like, drop 2 and then I'll do the jump again. Alright, you do it. I'll keep a lookout. Hello?
Yeah. Now, do you call it talkie-walkie or walkie-talkie? I dropped flask here and it disappeared from the world.
I do believe I know where it is. Oh, never mind. What the hell? I want to go say hi to our new friend. Hello, you want a hug? He give very
How
good hugs.
Yeah. He does that.
Oh frick. Oh. Okay. Old bird. Look at it. Look at it bust a move over there.
Look at him go.
I'm gonna go say hi to it. Hello. It didn't like my dance move. Elbozo.
Be back.
Oh.
They're on their way.
You wanna just leave with the beehive?
Yes, I think I'll just leave with the beehive.
I need,
Yeah, that's what Charlie
I'm gonna
does.
grab the eggs.
Oh, come on.
It is, because she's... I mean, I'm going to fire.
I don't know why I did it. Oh, frick. I might be dead. I'm dead.
Look at the 3 sinkholes and tell me which one do you think he died in?
I think he died in the bigger one. Goodbye. Time to die.
He got creative mode.
Like, what the fuck?
Oh, he's gonna go back to base in creative mode. Whee!